And we are in front of the new Giottivan 60B for the 2025 season. Let's check the actual price and the total price of this actual van with the complete specs. I will be in front a couple of seconds so you can check them out and also pause the video. Inside there is slightly new design with new colors and new style seating with wide table and slide out unit. Citroen chassis with the new design. Chairs just like standard. And there are two push out cabinets, pretty nice, and the storage unit just up here. From this part we have a deep sink situation and two gas stoves. On the lower part, pretty wide kitchen setup and another kitchen cabinet with the third also be pretty deep. On this side we have additional cabinet storage and the Vitrifrigo fridge. That's a bigger fridge, actually not bad. You have a freezer situation, like not so small. And then under it there is also the compartment for additional stuff. And getting on this side we have a longitudinal bathroom that's actually pretty nice with a pretty wide area, and also additional storage under here. Not bad. Let's check if there is additional storage on this part. Yep, you have additional storage right up there. And then going on the back we have this double bunk bed that I will be measuring the measures from the back, but I can try to show you the cabinets that are on top of it. There are two cabinets from this side and there is no cabinet from that side, so you have much more space for your legs. And closing that down, measuring this bed from actual widest part so we can understand if this is designed well. Not so bad. 1.860 for kids or for smaller people. And then on the lower part I will be measuring that from the back. Let's go outside and measure this Giottivan Privilege campervan so we can understand if we can fit 4 people on this campervan. 1.343 from that side and the same 1.3 to 28. So double bunk bed, 2 kids and 2 adults from the lower part. And then we are measuring 1.279 for the garage part, and on the widest part we have 0.960. And there you have it, an 2025 model from Giottivan. Let's get a better look from the widest part.